Welcome to this complete Cartagena, Spain travel guide. Cartagena, a jewel of the Mediterranean, is a city rich with history, culture, and unforgettable experiences. Today we'll delve into 12 of the most exciting things you can do here, from exploring ancient Roman ruins, strolling along picturesque streets, to relaxing on sun-kissed beaches. We'll even reveal some of the city's best-kept secrets. So buckle up, we're about to embark on an unforgettable journey through Cartagena. Our first stop is the impressive Roman Theatre Museum. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of history that unfurls within these ancient walls. Constructed in the 1st century BC, this majestic edifice was once the epicenter of Roman entertainment in Cartagena. The architecture, a testament to Roman ingenuity, still commands awe with its grand archways and ornate carvings. The museum itself houses a wealth of artifacts, each piece whispering tales of the past, inviting you to step back in time and experience the grandeur of the Roman era. The significance of this place is monumental, a symbol of Cartagena's vibrant history. No visit to Cartagena is complete without stepping into the past at this remarkable museum. Next, we ascend to the iconic Castillo de la Concepción. This historic fortress, perched atop the highest of Cartagena's 5 hills, offers a stunning panoramic view of the city and the sea. It's like standing on a giant's shoulder, looking out over a playground of antiquity and modernity. The castle's historical significance is as captivating as its view. It has stood the test of time, from the Roman era to the Middle Ages, silently narrating tales of power, conquest, and resilience. Recent archaeological excavations have uncovered a wealth of treasures, from Roman ceramics to medieval weaponry, each artifact whispering secrets of a bygone era. From the top, you can truly appreciate the beauty of Cartagena. Now it's time to take a leisurely stroll along the Calimera. This bustling street, alive with energy, is a treasure trove of charm and history. Here you'll find a delightful mix of quaint shops selling everything from handmade crafts to high-end fashion. Feel free to pop into one of the many cozy cafes lining the street, where you can sip on a cup of strong Spanish coffee while watching the world go by. And don't forget to look up. The architectural highlights are a visual feast, with grand facades boasting intricate details that hint at the city's rich past. As you continue your journey, you'll understand why this vibrant, bustling artery is often described as the beating heart of Cartagena. Calimera truly is the beating heart of Cartagena. Our next destination takes us to the Cartagena Naval Museum. With an impressive array of exhibits, this museum offers a deep dive into Spain's maritime history. Housed in a meticulously restored 18th century building, the museum stands as a testament to the city's naval heritage. The museum's collection spans centuries, featuring artifacts from ancient shipwrecks to modern naval technology. Each exhibit tells a unique story, painting a vivid picture of the maritime adventures that shaped Spain. It's like going on a time-traveling voyage without the risk of seasickness. So, whether you're an old sea dog or a landlubber with a love for history, the Cartagena Naval Museum is a treasure trove of fascinating insights, a must-visit for any maritime history enthusiast. Next, we're off to explore the Bateria de Castillitos. This fascinating destination, nestled within the rugged beauty of Cartagena, is not just a military fortification from the early 20th century, but a symbol of a bygone era. The architecture, a unique blend of medieval and modern styles, stands as a testament to Spain's rich historical tapestry. The fort's sturdy walls and ornate details whisper tales of a time when it was a vital coastal defense point. As we wander through its expansive grounds, we're rewarded with breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea and the surrounding mountains. The beauty and tranquility found here are truly astounding. Bateria de Castillitos is more than just a historic site, it's a journey back in time. A truly unique and unforgettable experience. Now it's time to kick back and relax on Cala Cortina Beach. Picture a serene, sun-kissed stretch of sand cradled by the azure Mediterranean. Cala Cortina, Cartagena's little gem, offers a tranquil escape from the bustling city. The beach is well appointed with amenities from showers to picnic areas, making it an ideal spot for a leisurely day under the Spanish sun. The beachfront restaurant serves up tantalizing seafood, a perfect accompaniment to the breathtaking views of the sea. The sense of peace here is palpable as the gentle waves lap the shoreline and the soft breeze whispers through the palm fronds. After a day filled with history and exploration, Cala Cortina Beach is the perfect place to unwind. It truly is the perfect place to unwind after a busy day of sightseeing. Time to delve deeper into the city's past at the Augusteum Roman Museum. A treasure trove of history, the museum stands on the very site that once was the Augusteum, an ancient Roman temple. Strolling through the museum, we encounter a world frozen in time where each exhibit whispers tales of the Roman era. The museum houses an impressive collection of artifacts, including intricate mosaics, ancient sculptures, and remnants of the temple itself, offering a tangible link to Cartagena's Roman heritage. The archaeological significance of the museum cannot be overstated, as it serves as a testament to the city's ancient roots and the enduring legacy of the Roman Empire. The Augusteum Roman Museum truly offers a fascinating glimpse into Cartagena's rich Roman history. Our exploration continues in the Roman Forum district. Imagine a bustling marketplace, a hub of activity where ancient Romans gathered to discuss politics, religion, and commerce. This district, now a treasure trove of archaeological findings, was once the epicenter of Roman life. Its architecture, a testament to the grandeur of the Roman era, has been painstakingly preserved for us to marvel at today. As you wander through the district, you might almost hear the echoes of traders haggling, politicians debating, and priests sermonizing. Unearthed artifacts provide a fascinating insight into daily Roman life, from ornate jewelry to humble kitchen utensils. This district is a tangible link to our past, a living history lesson, a step back in time in the heart of modern Cartagena. Next, we visit the stunning Cartagena City Hall. A marvel of modernist architecture, the City Hall of Cartagena, also known as the Palace of Cartagena, is a sight to behold. Constructed in the early 20th century, it stands as an elegant testament to the city's rich history and cultural legacy. The brainchild of architect Thomas Rico Vallarino, the City Hall features a vibrant blend of architectural styles from neoclassical to Art Nouveau. Its ornate facade, adorned with intricate sculptures and motifs, exudes grandeur, while its interiors, with lavish decorations, speak volumes of opulence. As the political heart of the city, it holds significant importance in the daily governance of Cartagena, a testament to the grandeur and elegance of Cartagena. Now, let's take a scenic walk along the Paseo de Alfonso the Thean. As we embark on this journey, the air is filled with a sense of history and vibrant culture. The promenade is lined with stunning architectural marvels, each narrating tales of its own. The views are nothing short of a visual treat, with the azure Mediterranean on one side and iconic landmarks on the other. As we stroll on, we encounter various monuments, each a symbol of Cartagena's rich heritage. The lush greenery adds a touch of tranquility to the bustling atmosphere, and the melodious strains from a nearby street musician add to the captivating ambience. Truly, it's a breathtaking walk that encapsulates the charm of Cartagena. Our journey continues at the majestic Cartagena Cathedral. Nestled in the heart of the city, this grand edifice is a testament to the passage of time and the enduring spirit of the Carthaginians. The cathedral's origins trace back to the 13th century, and it stands today as a beautiful blend of Gothic and Baroque architectural styles. Its intricate stone carvings and soaring arches are a sight to behold. But the cathedral is more than just a stunning structure. It's a symbol of the city's resilience, having withstood wars, earthquakes, and the passage of time. It continues to serve as a place of worship, a beacon of faith for the local community, a symbol of faith and resilience in the heart of Cartagena. Finally, we round off our journey at the Cartagena Regional Museum, a treasure trove of history. This museum is a testament to Cartagena's rich cultural past. Here, you'll find an array of exhibits, spanning from the prehistoric era to modern times. Each exhibit tells a tale of the people who have shaped this region, their lives, their struggles, their triumphs. Explore the ancient artifacts, the Renaissance art, the maritime history, and more. The museum is not just a place to view objects, it's a place to understand the essence of Cartagena. The stories etched in these halls are a mirror to Cartagena's soul, reflecting the city's vibrance and resilience. A fitting end to our journey through the rich tapestry of Cartagena. And there you have it, 12 must-do activities in Cartagena, Spain. From strolling along the Calimea, exploring historical marvels like the Roman Theatre Museum and Castillo de la Concepción, to relaxing on Cala Cortina Beach, there's something for everyone. We've delved into the city's rich history, walked its beautiful streets, and soaked up its vibrant culture. We're grateful you've chosen to journey with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Cartagena. Until next time, safe travels.